Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be making our boy a quick taper fade. That means it's a side and a back taper fade is already on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and watch it. Now let's dive into the video. Now we are making a borderline over the other side, as you can see. After we make our borderline with our trimmer at the second side, now we take our clipper open level. We begin to create our first guideline for the fade up, and basically remember this is a braid. We are trying to make a taper fade on it, so we should know how we fade the hair so that we don't go to up. Now we take our level 1, guard 1, open level, taking it towards the upside, fading it gradually. After that we move towards the downside, making sure that we don't make it too much fade up, but try to make it nice. Guys, this is really simple, trust me guys. Once you follow this process and you watch the video from the beginning to the end, you realize how I made this. Now we head over to the other side. We already cut the borderline, as you can see. Then clipper open level, we try to create our first guideline as usual. Remember, this video is for only a side taper. The back taper fade is already on my YouTube channel. You should go ahead and watch it right now. After that, I take my guard 2 level. As you can see, the head over the braid, we're trying to take a little hair out of it. We're not trying to take much out of it, because when you take much hair out of the braid, when you lose the braid, the hair automatically just looks ugly. So now we're taking it down gently. Remember, level 2 open level, we're taking it down gently. After you are done with that, then we can go over to our fading. Now let's watch on how I do it. After you are done with that, take our guard 1 open level as usual. We're taking it up to the upper side. And guys, when you are fading the hair, don't forget to use a brush, as you can see. And I'm using a brush on this video, and the fading just looks simpler with that. After that, when we go towards the upside, we roll our clipper to the downward side. We keep making this movement as our hair aligns in the way we want it. As you can see, our hair is aligning on the way we want it. Now, open level with no guard, we're trying to take off. We create our first guideline, and we're going to make sure that we took off the hair beneath it. Brushing the hair with our open level, guys, not closed level. Remember, open level. After we make sure that the fade up is neat, now we head over to the fading. Now remember, this is a braid, so as you can see, the hair on the front side, we need to take our guard 1 open level to take it down a little bit. Then if you have a spray, you can apply it to make sure that it is neat before you can shape up the hair. After gradually taking it down, I make sure that the front line aligns before I get to my trimmer and with my lining substance. Or you can use powder, as I use in this video. And guys, remember, this is just the beginner guide. You can just do me a favor and just subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Now, using our trimmer gently, as you can see, we're not going deep inside on the hair. We're just taking the trimmer and our lining substances, making our shape up gently. And we don't want to make anything that could hurt my client, so we have to take it gently. After that, we head over to the other side also, as you can see in the video. Hey guys, all this is very simple. You just have to watch this video over and over again. Take your time, and when you're done with that, you can subscribe to my channel also. Now I just fade the back, but remember guys, the full video on the back taper is at the YouTube channel. You should go and watch it. After you use your clip trimmer, you can now use your lamp set to make everything more neat. As you can see, we head over to that side. Guys, look at this taper fade. The fading is looking so neat. And remember, for those of you that have been following me, I only use mostly 2 guard, the 2 guard and the 1 guard, open level, close level. We're trying to make this simple for beginners that want to learn barbing in 2026. Just subscribe to my channel for more content like this. We don't hide anything. We show you a full tutorial on it. You can also join our community to learn more of barbering. Now, as you can see, our run is going smoother. Then for those of you that want to apply some enhancement, you can go to my channel and watch how I do the enhancement. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Look at this, how this hair turns out. See you in my next video.